if you are looking for an effective product that will help to clear acne, brighten and hydrate your face, this is a video you want to watch till the end. I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade facial cucumber gel that will help to brighten your skin, hydrate and as well clear acne or pimples on your face. So what you need is cucumber. So get a cucumber, then make sure it's nicely washed, and the next thing you're going to do is to grate the cucumber. Cucumber helps to hydrate the skin and is an effective treatment for acne and pimples. So if you have acne and pimples on your face, cucumber is an effective ingredient that will help to do that. It also helps to hydrate your skin. It also helps to plump and also brighten your skin. So I'm grating the cucumber to enable us get the cucumber juice. You don't need to add any water. Okay, so at this point, the next thing we are going to do is to transfer into a cheesecloth, and we are going to squeeze out the cucumber juice. So just have to take your time and get a cheesecloth so that it will help us to trap the tiniest particle, because you don't want any form of particle in the juice. What we need is just the cucumber juice. So as you guys can see, we have a cucumber juice here. You're going to measure out 30 ml of cucumber juice, pour it into a clean plate. Then you're going to add about quarter teaspoon of mulberry extract. Mulberry extract is a natural ingredient that helps to brighten your skin. So add it, then you're going to mix very well till it dissolves. So guys, this is an effective facial cream that will help you to achieve overall beautiful face, spotless, hydrated, and if you have any form of pimple and acne, this will help to clear it. Okay, measure out about 13 ml of glycerin. Then you're going to add xanthan gum, quarter teaspoon of xanthan gum. Then you mix very well. Xanthan gum is a thickener that will help us to thicken this particular cream, and glycerin is a humectant that helps to retain moisture on your skin. So make sure you mix very well till everything is nicely mixed and combine and as well dissolve. So guys, this is a cream you want to try to make at home if you've been suffering from acne, pimples, if you have uneven skin tone, if you have dry flaky skin. This cream is what you want to try. Like, it's an effective cream that will make your face pop. Okay, so share this video to as many persons as possible that have been trying every means possible to clear their pimples. This cream will do just that. And of course, you don't need to spend tons of money to make this cream. Okay, with few ingredients you are good to go. So add about quarter teaspoon of preservative. Of course, preservative will help to prolong the shelf life of this cream. So gently mix until everything is combined, as you guys can see here. Okay, so get the cucumber mixture with the mulberry extract mixture, and you're going to add the mixture of glycerin and xanthan gum, and you keep stirring until you get a jelly-like texture. So guys, this cream is what you want to try, and it's easy to come up with. As you guys can see, our cucumber facial cream is becoming gel-like. Okay, and make sure you mix until you get a thick consistency, as you guys can see. And here we have our cucumber facial gel. So to get your ingredients you can use to make this product, like where to get original and authentic ingredients, okay, go to my about page here on YouTube. You're going to see a link that will take you to my digital store where you can have access to my verified vendor list, where you can get authentic skincare ingredients. Okay, thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.